This is a graph question. We might say, what are these sketch graphs? They're clearly sketch graphs. Something really interesting pause the video and do you know what? I'll tell you the interesting thing later. Pause the video, have a go. I'll tell you what the answers are. This is y equals x. This is y equals x squared. This is y equals, I don't know, let's make up a number. 5. This is x equals 7. And this is x equals -2. It doesn't matter, just make up a number. Make sure this one's negative though. This is y equals x again. This is y equals x squared again. Boom. If you're happy, move on. I'm just going to do a very brief explanation. I'm going to talk about what I think are some interesting things, and I'm going to point you towards, again, my free book with the massive playlist of videos which supplement it, which has a lot more on graphs. Fascinating fact, when I was at university, if you were asked to do a sketch graph and you used a ruler, if you used a ruler and drew everything really neatly and measured everything out, you would lose marks. Because a sketch graph is supposed to just be a sketch, because it is a skill of a mathematician to be able to go, oh, I need to know what something looks like. I'll just very quickly do a sketch. Anyway. Right. This one, by the way, could be something like y equals x to the 4 or y equals x to the 6. Anyway, as could this one. But if you don't understand what I just said, it doesn't matter. This one here, what would be a really cunning answer would be something like y equals k. Because you could say, well, k is a constant. And I don't know what the number is, but it's obviously a fixed number. And similarly here you could say x equals k. And you could say x equals minus k. Obviously in each graph k is a different thing. There we go. There's some thoughts. Brilliant. See you in the next video.